How to not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to not let phone contacts find you on Snapchat. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat application on your device. Log into your account. Now proceed to the Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Tap on gear icon at top right corner to access settings page. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on contact syncing. Now tap remove sync contacts from Snapchat and tap on confirm button. By selecting confirm, you will delete all previously synced contacts. In order to stop sharing contacts again with the Snapchat, we can go to settings and disable the contact permission. So let's head towards the settings of Snapchat. Or for that, you can tap and hold the Snapchat app and tap the I button, and you will access the app info. Tap permissions. Now tap contacts and then tap don't allow. That's it. Now this will help us not let phone contacts find us on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.